Are you planning to renovate your house, rebuilding your house, or building a new house or office space? Hello everyone, welcome to Shivandan Construction Private Limited, where you can get inspired for your future home or you can inquire us. Shivandan's main goal is to build our nation more beautifully and save cost at every stages respectively. Our today's video is to give information how to reduce future expenditures on electricity up to 60% by building or renovating your new or old house or office space. Before we start to know about it, first we should know the movement of most important thing, that is our sun. The movement of sun is different in different seasons throughout the year. Sun gives us very many advantages every day in our daily life. As we all know, our earth rotates on its axis annually and it's tilted on its vertical axis. This impacts how the sun rays strike on various locations of our planet. This affects how low or high the sun appears in relation to the horizon, or in simple we can say on our property. In winter, the sun is respectively low in the sky with its lowest arc through the sky on winter solstice, as we can see in the photo. In summer, the sun travels a high path through the sky and is at its highest angle on the summer solstice. Picture shows the sun path throughout the year. This little information can dramatically help us to reduce cost of electricity on light and conditioners. Maybe now you can think, oh, how it can help to reduce cost of electricity. Nowadays we people are very smart. We can go to the internet, we can search on Google, and we can understand that this information can help us to save electricity up to 60%. For example, if you are paying right now, in these days, you are paying electricity bill 10,000 rupees per month, it will reduce up to 6,000 rupees. Trust us, it's really work. So we should move further. Since old age, we are using doors and windows in our spaces to access from one room to another room and to get access of light and sufficient amount of air. But what we do in summer, we normally open the window just because of summer, sometimes close the window just because of so much temperature, and in winter we seal the window even at night or at daytime just because of unfavorable weather. And use of electricity for light and for conditioning by using conditioner or heater will increase. Techniques what we are going to explain right now, these are not only from modern engineering or architecture. These techniques were explained deeply in our Vedas and Vastu Shastras, and a brief details are given in many other old books and Shastras. If we see our structure where we are living or working right nowadays, we have 4 directions, east, west and north, south, and 4 corners as well. It's northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. So let's see. Window in east and northeast direction, we can build them without any special techniques because it's normal to build a normal window in east and north or northeast direction, because these directions are preferably used for light. Because of direction, we mostly heard about the term north light. The north light term is named just because of direction. But what about the south and southwest direction? If we look honestly, some plots or buildings don't have north or northeast at all. They only have south and southwest direction. Then these techniques can use to get enough access of light, air and sunlight. As we saw in the picture a moment ago, the movement of sun and striking of sunlight on our planet. We can give a window with the provision of sunshade, louvered window, recessed window, bay window with the provision of vertical lamellas or horizontal lamellas. Such windows and opening gives us ease to garden our house from summer sun, because in summer the movement of sun arc is higher. We can save us from solar glares as well in the summer season, but at the same design we can get sun inside our house because the movement of sun is quite low through the winter season, as we see in the picture. This easy techniques can give us very many ideas to beautifying our building exterior and the uses of natural resources in our residence or office space completely free. If some houses have very difficulty to get open direction, there are so many other techniques to use natural resources. These techniques need little customization according to the open direction of house as well as the location and localities. Thanks for watching us. We will get back to you with our new videos.